You were trained to stay broke, you absorbed it. But if you see the program, you can rewrite it.
You're not bad with money. You were trained to stay broke, and you don't even realize it. Everything you think about money was programmed into you before you turned 7. And until you see it, you will keep repeating it, no matter how hard you work. From birth to age 7, your brain isn't thinking. It's recording. You're in a theta state, the same state used in hypnosis, which means you didn't learn money. You absorbed it, automatically, silently, permanently. So let me ask you something. When money showed up in your house, what did it feel like? Stress, silence, arguments, or avoidance? Because whatever you felt back then, your nervous system still treats that as normal today. I grew up in India, middle class. Hard work was everything. My father worked his entire life, and still, money always felt just out of reach. Not poor, but never free. The sentence I heard the most was, "Money doesn't grow on trees." And I carried that into adulthood, into banking, into real estate, into every financial decision I made, the anxiety, the guilt, the invisible ceiling. Then I realized something that changed everything. I wasn't bad with money. I was running a program installed when I was 6 years old. Check which one of these is running your life. Number 1, money is hard to earn. So even when opportunities come easy, you make them harder, because struggle feels familiar. Number 2, rich people are greedy, so you subconsciously avoid becoming one of them. You want money, but not that much. Number 3, we're not the kind of people who invest, build wealth, charge more. This one controls your identity, and your identity controls your income. Number 4, save everything. Never spend. Sounds smart, but it's actually fear. And fear-based money thinking keeps you small. None of this is your fault, but if you don't fix it, it becomes your pattern. Answer these honestly. What sentence about money did you hear the most growing up? What do you feel when you check your bank balance? Not think, feel. And the most important, what do you believe you actually deserve financially? Because that number in your head is exactly where your life will stop. You can have the best strategy, the best income, the best opportunities, but if your internal program says money is scarce, or I'm not meant to have more, you will destroy your own progress every single time. This isn't just about money, this is about identity. And the moment you see the program, you can rewrite it. So tell me in the comments, what's the one sentence about money you heard growing up? You'll realize something powerful. People from completely different lives heard the exact same thing. And that tells you this was never personal. It was programming. If this hit you, send it to someone who needs to hear this, not to fix them, just so they understand they're not broken.